Hi everyone, I am going to make a quick little bracelet, and we're going to use these little things. Hopefully I'll remember to put them in and not just close it up real quick. I've done that before, so let's get started. This is 20 gauge and it's square wire. I don't have hardly any of the round left, so I'm going to use it. And we're going to make a bracelet because this needed silver, and that's what I had. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going to go over. I'm hoping that I've got enough for this week and next week on here. I would have already, but I forgot to video one of them. So distracted with the storm that and getting everything ready, I forgot. I'll still put up the ending of it to show you what it looked like, but I don't think it's videoed. If it is, I'll be surprised. Plus it cut off midway. Yeah, it's a pretty pendant. I used 18 gauge copper on it. Yep, I videoed away and don't have it, I don't think. I'll find out whenever I upload this video. So this is going to be that one. Looks like there's a little skin mark on that bead. These are some I got out of a bead mixture, so I guess there's might be a little flaw with them, but let's see. That one just looks like one of the facets isn't polished right or something. So I took it out. Now, put our rose in. I might have to hold it with something. There. Now, I wrote a children's book, and it'll be down in the description. Actually, I've got 2 up so far. I'm working on the 3rd one. It's just like a little bedtime story picture book for little ones. And I've got it up on Amazon. And you can get paperback, and you can get the, or you can have it on your tablet. Round wire would have worked better with this, but and I do think this is directional, so Gotta make sure I put the next one on the right way. Wrap it around. Now open it up. Now I work short wire because I have a hard time getting more. So I bought this before my husband got sick. Alright, let's do the next one. Put a little crystal on. There. Now, we've got to make sure we put that on right. Around. And then open it up. I want it like that. Yep. So then have it there. And if y'all can, like and share and subscribe and hype my videos, because I need to try to increase my viewers. I enjoy making y'all videos. I don't have any sponsors, so there we go. My husband and I, we cut rocks on one channel. He's trying to remember how to do that. So he helps me out on that channel. And I have that my watercolor up on a different channel. I used to have everything on this channel, and Who knows, maybe it would have done better if I'd left it all on one channel. I don't know. Oh, and I'm writing a blog now. I'll try to remember to put that in the description. I'm going to try to put family recipes on it and everything I'm up to. I'm just wondering if the last rose on this one is going to be as far as we can go on this one, because it looks like it's going to be a big bracelet otherwise. I think this is probably it for this one. We'll start on one thing and end on the other. I don't like doing that, but I like ending on the same thing I started with. But if you have to, you have to. Well, but yeah, I wrote a children's book. I didn't break nothing. Nope, I didn't. I just knocked everything for a loop. Got some other books up that I'd worked on for a long time. I'm using a pen name, so let's see. Yeah, it's gonna have to stop there. And we'll use a jump ring. And whenever you open the jump ring, find the opening and you twist it open like that. So it looks like that. If you separate it, and I think I've got that one on wrong. Maybe not. If I do, I'll twist it. We'll check that in just a second. But if you open it up by pulling it apart, it's so hard to get it back. You just don't want to do it that way. Yep, it's upside down. And I'll show you what we can do. Take this. And this one. Now, that's right. Alright, well y'all, there you go. There's our sort of a peachish pink or pale pink and crystal rose bracelet. And if you get a chance, check out the description below. I've got all kinds of links, one to my children's book, and I'd appreciate it if y'all have little ones that might enjoy a little story about kittens, that you take a look at it. And also I have a buy me a coffee and a several other things. I'm going to put my blog down in the bottom. I'm going to link my Instagram. I'm just starting on it, but I'm trying to to branch out on some other stuff. And like and subscribe, and try to watch the video to the end if you can. It'd really help me out, because if they're showing ads or my videos, they're the ones getting paid for them, because I'm not monetized yet. I'm a long ways from it, and I'm hoping my wire hangs out until I can get enough done to get monetized. But yeah, it gets discouraging every once in a while that I guess not everybody likes my way of doing things, but I don't know. But y'all, I really appreciate y'all watching and sticking out to the end, and it does help out. And eventually we'll get monetized, and maybe I can do more stuff. I don't know. But I've got to make this wire last until I do. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all stay warm. We're in the middle of a winter storm right now, and I'm trying to get 2 weeks worth of videos done so I can get them up just in case we don't have power. So, I hope everybody keeps their power on and don't lose any power over the winter storm. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.